Good morning, everyone. So today we are going to talk about integration by partial fraction. So how does it work? Integration by partial. For you to know integration by partial fraction, you need to understand partial fraction, the method of partial fraction, and the method you can use to solve partial fraction. So how does integration by partial fraction works? I said we have three methods. We have integration by substitution, by part, and by partial fraction. Integration by substitution is when you differentiate one is a derivative multiple. For example, when you have a raised power x squared and this one is 4x. See, when you differentiate x squared, you get 2x, but 4x is a multiple of 2x. So integration by substitution can work. When you now have something like this, a raised power x squared sine x, when you differentiate this one, it's not a multiple of this. So integration by substitution can work. So you are going to use integration by parts. In this case, you use integration by part. When you have something like x plus 2 all over x plus 4 into bracket x plus 3, I usually tell students when you use most time integration by partial fraction is always used for fraction of a linear function or a quadratic function, just like this. No, if you use this, you might be wondering, if I use a raised power x squared over sine x, can I use partial fraction? No, it's not advisable to use partial fraction. And in most cases, for your level, you won't be given question like this. This one is a function problem where you apply your Bessel function, and don't let me go into that. So this they won't give you something like this, or they will give you something like this. So when you have a linear function like a function like this that is divided by something, all you use is what? Partial fraction. And how does partial fraction works? You just solve it normally using partial fraction method, but you now recall this is very important in partial fraction. Integral of 1 over x is what? Ln x is very important, because when you integrate this, you're going to get two fractions. You get a something over this, and you get something over this. So, and you know that when you integrate something over something, you get ln of that. So that's why this is very important. So in the next video, I'm going to solve this question using integration by partial fraction. I hope now you now know the difference between all the methods. So in the next video, we're going to talk about how to solve question. I'll start with this question.